Hi friends! Welcome back to Number Fun with Friends. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of number patterns. Are you ready to discover some amazing patterns with numbers? Number patterns are all around us. They help us understand how numbers work together in a sequence. Let's start exploring! Let's look at an odd pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7. What comes next? Yes, it's 9. We're adding 2 each time. Let's look at an even pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. What comes next? Yes, it's 10. We're adding 2 each time. Skip counting is a fun pattern. Let's skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Nature is full of patterns. Look at the petals of a flower or the segments of an orange. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's create our own patterns. You can use anything, toys, crayons, or even fruits. Arrange them in a pattern and show it to someone. You did an amazing job exploring number patterns today. We looked at sequences, skipped counting, and even found patterns in nature. Keep looking for patterns around you. They're everywhere. You're becoming a real number pattern expert. Join us next time on Number Fun with Friends for more exciting number adventures. Bye for now.